Hey everyone, if you need to find your Looker instance URL, there are several ways to track it down. I'll walk you through the most common methods in order, starting with the quickest. The first thing to try, if you already have Looker open or you've used it recently, look at the address bar at the top of your web browser. You'll see a long URL that includes your instance address. For example, if the address bar shows something like abccompany.cloud.looker.com/dashboards/123, your instance URL is just the first part, abccompany.cloud.looker.com. Copy everything before the first/after.com. Bookmark that address right away. If you navigate to that base address, you should see the main Looker login page. If you're not currently logged in or can't access Looker right now, move on to the next method. If that didn't work, search your email for the welcome message you got when you were first granted access to Looker. Open your work email and in the search bar, try searching for Looker welcome, Looker invitation, or no reply at looker.com. Look for an email from a system administrator or from that no reply address. That email will have a login or activation button with a link. Hover over the button and you'll see the link preview, or just copy the link itself. Either way, that's your instance URL. Copy just the base domain before any dashboards or query parameters. If you find that email, you're done. If you've searched and there's nothing in your inbox, here's the next option. The third method is newer. It's for finding your instance ID rather than the URL itself. But it's useful if you need that information. Log into Looker if you're not already in there, then look for the Help menu and select Looker Instance ID from that menu. Looker will display the instance ID in a specific format that includes your project ID, region, and instance name. There's a copy button you can click to grab it. This gives you the instance ID, which is used for private connections, not the actual URL. For the URL, you'd still use the address bar. If you don't see this menu item in your Help menu, your instance might be an older Looker setup, so move on to the fourth method. Still stuck? Check your company's SSO portal or password manager. If your organization uses something like Okta, Azure, Google Workspace, or OneLogin, log into that portal and look for the Looker app tile. Right-click on the Looker icon and select Copy Link Address, or just click it and then check your browser address bar once it loads. Alternatively, open your password manager and search for Looker. Copy the base URL you find there. Clicking it will take you straight to the instance. If you don't find it in your SSO portal or password manager, there's one more option. The last method is the simplest. Just ask a teammate. Send a message on Slack, Teams, or email to someone on your team who uses Looker regularly and ask for the link. Your team lead, a colleague who shares Looker dashboards, or someone on your data analytics or BI team will have the URL handy. If all else fails, reach out to your IT help desk or the team that manages Looker for your company. They'll absolutely know the URL and can send it to you. Once you've got your Looker URL, bookmark it right away. For reference, Looker URLs typically follow one of three patterns: a subdomain of looker.com, a subdomain of looker.cloud.com, or a custom domain like analytics.yourcompany.com. And that's how to track down your Looker instance URL. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.